guys, this is Tapasya. Welcome to All About Life, and this is another shopping haul. You must be wondering that I shop a lot. Yes, I do, but I shop when the deals are on. Recently, I went to Noida and I accidentally stopped by Miniso. I was wondering that I will go to the store when I went to Vasant Kund Mall, but I accidentally dropped in Noida and I went to the store. This is a wonderful store. You get a lot of stuff there and you'll get crazy as I got. So I got a bag full of shopping, from like earbuds and then a soft toy, then slippers. I don't know why I brought those, because I already have most of the things available at my home, but still, because I got crazy, they look lovely, I brought it. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like my channel, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Do like my videos, and if you want notification, please press that bell button below. Bye bye, love you guys. With all my expressions, you must have already known that I've got crazy, and I'm gonna show you first product. This is a kitchen product, which is a holder, which obviously helps you to hold the pot, a hot pot. So cute, isn't it? I like the color, I like the stripes. This is not very expensive. It is only for 150 rupees, and one pad and one whole mitten. Then second product is cute slippers. I already have a lot of slippers, but these slippers, catched my eye and I went crazy. Again, this is not very expensive. A pair of slippers is for, I think, $290 only. Oh my god, that's nice. Third product is a headband. Headbands are very useful when you're pampering yourself. It's like a polka headband. They have a lot of colors in it. You can hold your hair back with this, and you can pamper yourself by putting a mask. I loved it. If you do, it's for 150 only. Again, I'm gonna show you fourth product. Fourth product is a product you might need if you want to relax yourself. This is a massager. This is a leg massager. They have a lot of massagers for neck, legs, back and all. Whatever you want, you can pick it up. It's again for 150, I think. Fifth product is a very essential product. It is a huge box of cotton buds. They have a lot of options in this. This is not very expensive, I believe. It is only for, I think I have to see where it is. It's for 150. That's good, huh? Again, I am saying again and again, I'm gonna show you sixth product. Sixth product is a box full of cotton pads. People like me who use a lot of makeup needs them regularly, and for 1000 sheets, it is a budget box. Like, you get 1000 sheets in only 150 rupees. OMG, that's a steal deal. Now you will see a crazy side of me, because I got crazy by seeing this glass bottle. This glass bottle is very useful for people who have warm water regularly. I am trying to have a routine of warm water, so I brought this bottle. Isn't this pretty? This is also for I think 150, not very expensive. I'll tag it below. I'm gonna show you my last product. Is it last product? Yes, this is a last product. Everything finished. This is a soft toy. I got it for my baby. Cute little dolphin. So sweet, isn't it? Hope my baby will love it and squeeze it like this. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please share it, comment down below. You have to press that bell icon also. Please do that for me. Love you guys.